Welcome to Pure Health Africa. In today's video, we'll talk about unripe papaya, its traditional uses, possible risks, and important facts you should know about warts. Unripe papaya has been used traditionally in some cultures for food and general wellness, but there are important safety facts everyone should understand. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. What is unripe papaya? Unripe papaya is simply papaya fruit that has not fully matured. It is usually green in color and contains a natural enzyme called papain, which is often used in food preparation and traditional practices. In many communities, unripe papaya is cooked as food or used in small amounts for traditional health practices. Traditional uses of unripe papaya. Traditionally, unripe papaya has been used for supporting digestion when eaten as cooked food, helping soften meat during cooking, general skincare, and some traditional practices. Some people believe the enzymes in unripe papaya may help break down dead skin cells, which is why it is sometimes mentioned in discussions about skin growths. However, traditional use does not always mean proven or safe for all uses. Why people link unripe papaya to warts. Some people believe unripe papaya may affect warts because of its strong enzymes. Warts are skin growths caused by a virus, and they can appear on different parts of the body. This belief is mostly based on traditional stories and personal experiences, not strong scientific evidence. It is very important to understand the difference between beliefs and medically approved treatments. Important risks and warnings. Unripe papaya contains strong enzymes and latex-like substances that can irritate the skin. Using it directly on the skin may cause burning or irritation, allergic reactions, or damage to sensitive skin. Warning: unripe papaya should never be used on sensitive or private body areas. Applying home remedies to such areas can lead to serious irritation or infection. What you should know about warts. Warts are caused by a virus, and not all warts are the same. Some types of warts, especially those in sensitive areas, require medical evaluation. Only a qualified healthcare professional can identify the type of wart, recommend safe treatment options. Self-treatment without proper diagnosis can make the condition worse. Safety message. If you notice unusual skin growths or changes, it's best to seek medical advice early. Natural remedies should be approached with caution, especially when dealing with sensitive parts of the body. Outro. Unripe papaya has traditional uses, but it also comes with risks. Understanding what is safe and what is not is key to protecting your health. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Pure Health Africa for simple and responsible health education. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.